What should we do? Up you get. Good girl. Land ahoy! And it is absolutely beautiful at the moment. Jared's over there doing something suspicious. I don't know if he's wearing any pants anymore, actually. He's not. You're nudie! Look at the colour in this trouty. That is about 23 minutes old. D-Man's just going to do his tang on there. Take the fillets off. And we're going to cook up some fresh sangers. Jared, I can see Jared's butt! G'day guys, welcome back to another episode. Myself, D-Man, AJ, Jackie and Jared Strider. We're out in the boat and we're in the remote islands and we've had a great morning so far. It's pretty much midday on the dot. We started off the day with a free dive and we went to these mermaid caves that we call them. The sun was shining through and it was awesome. I'll run on a few clips.
I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely.
Did you see that shot?
It should have been you. I just know you could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
Oh, yeah. And then after that, we punched out to about 22 meters of water. Me and Jared hopped in for a dive. Jared plucked a really nice job fish straight away, first drop down. Because it was so clear, it's a little bit deceiving in the depth perception, so we just shot a bit high, put a second shot in it, put it to sleep. No sharks, no worries. We really don't want to waste fish, so we always do the second option if we're not sure about it. I went down, got myself a big old trouty, and then D-Man ended up going down, got himself a beautiful lunch trouty. Look at my gun, I didn't even know this happened. Jackson and Isla must have put it in this morning. Looks like Isla's decorated my gun. It's the limited edition YBS gun, coming soon. Comes with your own dinosaur.
I reckon that might be just custom.
It's Jackson's mate.
Yeah, he's staying up all night doing that.
Come on, Jared, get in there.
Turn it off.
What's happening down there?
Are we neutral? Don't touch anything. Yeah. It's touchy. Nothing like going into the reshoring like that. Oh, it's so blue. You need to be on it.
Are you serious?
You guys are crazy for not getting in. No, you're not allowed to.
take it back.
Looks pretty blue, eh?
It's
It's so huge. Lunch, baby. Just grab this one for lunch. That'll feed 4 of us, 5 of us easy. He was sort of under the ledge, and I was contemplating whether he was going to wrap me up underneath or not, but I got him in the head, face on, and he actually like come out and up and pretty much swim himself to the top. Boys are on here. I think I just heard lunch red, which means the boys have got like a good sized red emperor for lunch, which is our favourite lunch meal, and I am so hungry. I don't ever really pack into lunch when I come out in the boat. I always, you know, live off the ocean, so that's exactly what we did today. No lunch, no food, just a red emperor. I've got some bread, gonna make some sangers. I got cheese, red shit, sugar sauce and all that stuff, but no actual food. Oh, lunch trout.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Jared.
Jared said there was a red down there. Does he have the red?
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's a red down there. you want me to hold your camera for? These guys just taking stuff from each other. Keep an eye on me, man.
Tokyo 2020 is just around the corner. You can feel the magic in the air.
When you are free to move.
Are they gnats?
Yeah, sharkies.
Oh!
Oh!
Fine, Queens.
Film it!
Oh!
Oh, had a look at that. You're on there, D-Man.
Is that going in the little one as well?
Yeah, they're having a look. Oh, D-Man, yes. Oh, keep going. Yes.
Ah!
Yes!
Oh, you yoinked it.
Loosen that drag a little bit, maybe.
Did he spit it out?
I think he just had a hold of it like it didn't have any hooks in.
That was exciting, but
Uh-oh.
You first, D-Man.
that was very exciting. D-Man!
Oh!
D-Man!
Oh! Oh!
Yes.
Oh! D-Man!
I think you're pulling it too.
You got this. It's your queenie of your dreams.
I know.
You got this.
I'm not panicking.
What's that? A turtle.
I mean, if you want it on a platter, this is it. Perfect spot for lunch, Jared Oxley.
Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple.
Go now! Go, Jackie!
Did you get that?
I got it, but I wasn't ready for it. Great sound effects.
Are you gonna go to the beach, Jackie?
We had fire.
Now we have fire.
Now we have fire. The oil's getting nice and hot. Look at that. Jared's having a swim. Girls are sunbathing over on the beach. B-Moss is flying the drone. This fish is about half an hour old. Yeah, we're sizzling away here now, boy. Check that out. Ooh yeah. What do you reckon?
Oh, the chips are a good ad, Jared Oxley.
Right.
Smart little cookie. Hell yeah.
Rainbow.
Crunch.
Mmm. Wow.
People love wraps.
People love wraps. We love wraps. Wraps are the best.
We we're going to toast them today, but
Nah,
not today.
I'm too hungry. We got no time for some special shit.
That smells so good from the beach.
Does it? I had a little taste test.
Oh wow.
Oh, and they got some of that crunch. Good call, Jared. Oh, again, that's a really good call.
Nice.
Those chips on there. Oh my god, you cooked this perfect, D-man.
Alright.
Yep. MVP. 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 Secret ingredient of today is beetroot salad.
In the bio pack.
In the bio pack. Youngbloods.co if you want to get one of these shirts. Oh yeah, this is a thick something. Strider!
I don't care.
Oh, beetroot salad. They're walnuts. Walnuts. Oh mate, this is going to be awesome. Did I miss anything? Did I miss anything? No. Here we go. It's been a little while since we've done this. Got all the crew out here.
Bang on.
Donut.
Bang on.
Well done, D-man.
So good.
Yeah.
Thanks, D-man.
Well done, AJ.
Thank you. Amazing.
That is very
This
good,
is-
D-man. Good. Very good.
This is living, Harry.
That'd be good.
Oh, let's be honest.
Oh, look what Jared just did, everyone.
What
Look.
did you do?
The beetroot salad.
Way too much mayonnaise.
Yes.
Sorry.
Well guys, we're back at my house and I've got a big, beautiful, fatty trouty to fillet right here. Trout is one of the best fish. Flesh is so nice. It is one of the best eating fishes by far. It's white, it's clean, the texture's good. D-Man's just rocked up, 15 minutes late. I'm going to be having trout for dinner too tonight, trout for lunch and trout for dinner. I'll tell you guys a bit about what I've learnt hunting trouty on the spear. They range from in 1 metre of water all the way up to 25, 30. Bommies, ledges, they do like to follow the bait around. They're quite a lazy fish and they will feed on glass fish and stuff that's under the ledge. You find a lot of time in the bellies a small fish that's really easy to get. Obviously the currents push them along the ledge and they sit under the ledge and then they just come out, attack and come back in. They also scab a lot, so they will be around other things like if there's bust up, there's tuna going, mackies going, they will be on the bottom with the rankins scabbing up all the stuff that's been left over from crazy events like that. When you're actually hunting these guys, curiosity always kills these fellas. They can't help themselves. So if you get down on the bottom and you make yourself semi-hidden but still not fully hidden, so they know that, so these fellas know that you're there, 9 times out of 10 they'll swim at you, come side on. Especially the big ones like this, they'll flex their size. They're really inquisitive, like I said, tutorial, so they'll sort of be like, what are you? And you can always get a shot on them. With the shallower stuff, they always hang around bommies. Obviously that's where they spend a lot of their time. When you're hunting in shallow, it's a bit more tricky. You don't want to go and push them into the bommy because they have caves and systems that they go all the way up into the bommy. So you want to try and get them on the outskirts and they'll still be curious. So it's a few tips for you guys hunting the old coral trout. Yeah. Job's on. Yeah.
Big Jobson.
Is that a girl?
That's a boy.
It's a boy. Welcome back to Brody's kitchen. I'm cooking the same thing as I always cook. I'm sorry, it's not exciting, guys, but I mean, man, I've been out all day and I missed the shops. What else am I to do? And I love wraps. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, I love it. Green shit and red shit and I was that hungry, I forgot to film. But cheers, guys, and I'll see you in a couple of days. You. Oh.